Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about try except in Python. When you're writing production level code, you have to keep in your mind that the end user won't understand error. If he inputted a wrong value in place of a string, he just inputted a numeric value, he'll get error, right? He won't understand that particular error. In that case, we have to display a message regarding that error. For that purpose, we use try except. The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. The except block lets you handle the error. The finally block lets you execute code regardless of the result of the try and except blocks. Here is a first example. You can see we don't have any value for x and we are trying to print it. So here in this except block, we are just giving a print statement. So it will execute this thing. So we won't get any error. Here, as you can see, we can write n number of except blocks. So the first one will be printed, right? Because we are having a name error. We are not inputted our value to the variable, right? So we are just printing the first one, as you can see. So here you can see we are also having else. I'm just printing hello. So I don't have any error, right? It won't execute except block and it will jump to the else block. Nothing went wrong. So here you can see how we used finally block. So if there is an error, it will jump to except block, something went wrong, and regardless of the result will print always this final block. And that's it for now. Meet you next tutorial. Bye bye.